Morning, you guys. This is about 3:30 and I'm gonna be heading out to my friend Christian, and together we're gonna be heading out to Laguna Seca. It's like a 370 mile trip, and we're gonna take my E34. So wish us luck, you guys, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy the content. And laters. So early, you guys, even the fucking pump is booting up. And then I wanted to wash the car but didn't have time, so Christian cleans up the windows right now.
It's sick.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's crazy, huh?
You're on the bird?
Yeah. That dude is squished. That's the thing, the camera doesn't even record the fog.
This time I've driven fucking Mulholland Drive.
Also feels cooler too. You can feel the cold air.
Yeah, you can feel the cold air
seeping into the car, huh? Crazy. Man, pretty spooks, huh?
Yes. Just continue straight.
But oh, we're gonna catch the sunrise though.
Shit.
See it?
Shit's like a jungle.
It's crazy.
I got energy drinks if you want some.
Yeah. I only got one.
You want one?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm still hanging out there. And it's really, the dawn is coming in. That's crazy how it changed, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh fuck, why didn't you turn the high beams on, bro?
Jeez Louise.
Hey, look, you can see the clouds, Christian, if you look down.
No, dude. Shit's
That's why we didn't see shit. But I think now we are officially like on the countryside. just, what did we pass here? Or we are about at Los Alamos. Oh, we just passed Solvang. So that part was Solvang, probably we seeing Christian.
So skink.
So right now we just pulled over onto this side street. So we're gonna swap seats. Christian's going to be driving. It was kind of sketch with all the fog, and you know, I don't have a defroster. So like the window got, you know, kept fogging up and all that stuff. So also we got a check engine light that popped on and then went away. So that was a little scary. But we should be doing pretty good. Should we check fluids, Christian, or not?
I think we'll be alright.
Let's snack up too, fuck it. I'm scared to turn it off, you know, just in case. Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah. I bet it has to be some emissions or something, some wiring issue or some little shit. Fuck, it's extra fucking cold, huh?